What is up, guys? Today on the table to be unboxed is this Corsair gaming mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX Red switches. Now, a kind of a funny story about why I got this. I had wanted one for a while and I wasn't planning on getting one until the summer, but I was at Best Buy and I was looking for a GoPro housing for my Hero 4 Black and they didn't have one, so I ended up getting this instead. So let's go ahead and cut the tape down here. There we go. And it opens up right like this. Alright. So, first off on top, we have this. These are textured keys for the WASD and a few extras for different types of games, and a key puller tool. So we'll get to that in a second. We have a quick start guide. We don't need to be looking at that. And the keyboard itself is right here. Look at these USB connectors, guys. So they're both USB 2.0. One is for the keyboard itself, and one is for the USB pass-through on the back of the keyboard. So let's take this out here. Pretty standard weight for a mechanical keyboard with MX switches. Here it is. Now the first thing I notice is that there is no glossy plastic on it, like the keyboard I have now has, which is a good thing. And there's little feet that come out to extend it, to put it at an angle. I have those on mine right now, and it looks like they're going to be useful. Yeah. And guys, here, just take a listen to this really quick. There's your MX Red, guys. They're linear, so you push. You can make it silent if you push slow enough. But unlike the blues, these do not have a click at the actuation point. They're just smooth, which gives you that awesome sound. I really like that sound and the feel compared to MX Blue. I still like MX Blue, guys, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to try something else. So, let's go ahead and open this up. So in here we have extra keys and a key puller tool. So let's check out the key puller. It's just plastic, that's okay. But stick it on and pull your key out right like that. And you can see in here the MX Red switch with the red LED on top of it. So I guess we're going to go ahead and switch the WASD keys out for the textured ones. So I'm going to do that really quick. Alright guys, so I got the WASD keys installed and, well, the separate ones. They grip your fingers so you know which keys you're pushing, and let's see. It's okay for typing, but I think I'm going to leave the standard ones on there for now. Alright guys, well that is going to be it for the unboxing of this keyboard. I'm planning on doing a room tour hopefully sometime this weekend, and you'll see this on my desk and all set up and working. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will hopefully have a room tour coming up sometime either tomorrow or Sunday. Anyway, until then, that is going to be it, and thank you for watching.